A pack hunter, or social predator, is a predator belonging to the animal kingdom, which has evolved to hunt its prey by working together with other members of its species. Normally, animals hunting in this way are closely related, and with some small exceptions, where only males hunt, all individuals in a family group will contribute to hunting. In this video, I will present you with some of the most powerful pack hunters in the world. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for more amazing videos. With that being said, let's begin. Aplomado Falcons. Aplomado falcons monitor each other's movements during hunts. Males and females always perform the same task in every situation. They begin perched together, and the males initiate and give a sharp chirp vocalization to signal for the female to follow suit. When chasing birds on the ground, the females follow right behind the birds in the bushes, and the males swoop in overhead to make the kill. Within these pairs, males and females are consistently assigned to a particular role. Crocodilians. Studying predatory behavior by crocodiles, alligators, and caimans in the wild are notoriously difficult because they are ambush hunters, have slow metabolisms, and eat much less frequently than warm-blooded animals. Besides, they are mostly nocturnal and often hunt in murky, overgrown waters of remote tropical rivers and swamps. Research conducted by Vladimir Dinets has indicated that crocodilians regularly engage in cooperative hunting behavior, including highly organized game drives. For example, crocodiles would swim in a circle around a shoal of fish, gradually making the circle tighter until the fish were forced into a tight bait ball. Then, the crocodiles would take turns cutting across the center of the circle, snatching the fish. Sometimes animals of different sizes would take up different roles. Larger alligators would drive a fish from the deeper part of the lake into the shallows, where smaller, more agile alligators would block its escape. Cheetahs. This may not be well known, but cheetahs sometimes do work in packs. A pair of cheetahs is called a coalition. Not so prominent for their social behavior, female cheetahs are often known to live and survive on their own, but this is not the case for male cheetahs. From adulthood, a group of male cheetahs bands together to form a coalition. They live, hunt, and feed together from young adulthood till the day they die. Unlike their lion cousins, cheetahs are more welcoming to outsider male cheetahs. They will have no problem integrating an outsider into their coalition. From their point of view, an extra 4 legs only strengthen the group. A coalition of cheetahs is extremely skilled and efficient in tactical hunting. Together, they target weaker and smaller prey, sharing the spoils evenly across the pack. Chimpanzees. Chimpanzees live in communities that typically range from around 20 to more than 150 members, but spend most of their time traveling in small, temporary groups consisting of a few individuals, which may consist of any combination of age and sex classes. Chimpanzees are the only great apes known to engage in organized, communal hunts for larger animals. The creatures they target are usually always mammals. Some of these animals are hunted on the ground, whilst others are hunted in the treetops. The hunting party varies from a single chimpanzee to a few individuals to even more than 30 at a time. On average, 90% of the hunting parties are male chimpanzees, either full-grown or adolescents. Generally, the more individuals there are in a hunting party, the more successful it is likely to be, with success rates in the biggest parties topping 90%. Sometimes, the hunters actively target and chase prey, while in other cases they gather around en masse after happening on a victim by chance. Orcas. Orcas, or killer whales, are the largest of the dolphins and one of the world's most powerful predators. They're immediately recognizable by their distinctive black and white coloring. Smart and social, orcas make a wide variety of communicative sounds. and each pod has distinctive noises that its members will recognize even at a distance. Orcas hunt in deadly pods, family groups of up to 40 individuals. There appear to be both resident and transient pod populations of orcas. These different groups may prey on different animals and use different techniques to catch them. Resident pods tend to prefer fish, while transient pods target marine mammals. All pods use effective, cooperative hunting techniques that some liken to the behavior of wolf packs. African wild dogs. African wild dogs live in packs averaging from 7 to 15 members and sometimes up to 40. Before the recent population decline, packs of up to 100 were recorded. Within the pack, these canines have a unique social structure. They cooperate in taking care of the wounded and sick members. There is a general lack of aggression exhibited between members of the pack, and there is little intimidation among the social hierarchy. Every hunting pack has a dominant pair. They are usually the only pair that remains monogamous for life. Both males and females babysit the young and provide food for them. The hunting members of the pack return to the den, where they regurgitate meat for the nursing female pups. They hunt for a wide variety of prey, including gazelles and other antelopes, warthogs, wildebeest calves, rats, and birds. Like most predators, they play an important role in eliminating sick and weak animals, therefore helping maintain the natural balance and improve prey species. They can run long distances at speeds up to 35 miles per hour. Of the large carnivores, wild dogs are probably the most efficient hunters. Targeted prey rarely escapes. Spotted hyenas. Spotted hyenas are famed scavengers and often dine on the leftovers of other predators. But these hardy beasts are also skilled hunters that will take down wildebeest or antelope. They also kill and eat birds, lizards, snakes, and insects. Spotted hyenas live in hierarchical, social groups that consist of up to 130 members, including up to 50 adult females, 40 adult males, and 40 offspring. In these clans, there is a strict linear dominance hierarchy, in which all females and their young dominate all immigrant males. Hyenas tend to be opportunistic hunters. The pack will tend to hunt when their prey will be at its most vulnerable, such as during inclement weather or at night. When hyenas spot their prey, they target the young, weakest, or most vulnerable. They will work together to separate their prey from the rest of the herd, and then move in for the kill. Wolves. The social structure of a wolf pack is one of the most fascinating that has ever been observed. They have a very strict level of hierarchy that has to be adhered to by all members of the pack. This may sound harsh initially, but it is a method that allows these packs of wolves to be able to survive. The leader of the pack is the alpha male, and his mate is the beta female. Many believe that the social order of a pack is determined by the fear and dominance of the one in charge. However, it isn't necessarily established by an attack on one and the winner is the leader. It is much more complex than that. The lowest ranking individual in a pack is the omega. Living in a pack not only facilitates the raising and feeding of pups, coordinated and collaborative hunting, and the defense of territory, it also allows for the formation of many unique emotional bonds between pack members, the foundation for cooperative living. It is during a hunt where cooperation between wolves within a pack is most apparent. Wolves are opportunists. They test their prey, sensing any weakness or vulnerability through visual cues and even through hearing and scent. Contrary to ambush predators that rely on the element of surprise and a short and intense burst of energy to secure their prey, wolves are an endurance or coursing predators. They chase their prey, often over long distances, sometimes even a few miles, to find the right animal or opportunity. On the hunt, wolves work together with certain individuals, typically carrying out their specific role in the hunt, often based on age, gender, and social standing. While wolves will eat hares and other small prey, their preferred targets are ungulates, large, hoofed animals such as deer and elk. Lions. While some lions are nomadic and prefer to travel and hunt individually or in pairs, most lions live in a social organization known as a pride. It's a trait that's quite unique among the world's large cat species. most of which are lone hunters throughout their adult lives. The size of a lion pride can vary widely, and the structure differs between African and Asian subspecies. On average, a lion pride consists of about 2 or 3 males and 5 to 10 females, along with their young. Prides with as many as 40 animals have been observed. The head of the family is pride's male. He's the king of the pride, and it's his job to protect the female lions, called lionesses, and their young cubs. Lionesses have a lot of work to do. Not only do they look after their cubs, but they also have to go out to hunt for food to feed the rest of the pride. They are smaller and quicker than the males, and don't have a mane that will make them easy to spot. When a mother lioness has to leave her cubs to go hunting, another lioness in the pride will babysit them while she's away. Pride takeovers occur every 2 years, during which the suckling cubs of the defeated males are killed. This ensures that the new male will pass along his genes. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. You can also leave a comment with what you would like to see in the following videos. Thanks for watching, see you next time.